Today, December 26, 2004, our top story occurred earlier today, the Indian Ocean earthquake. It occurred under the Bay of Bengal and the Indian Ocean. It was an undersea subduction earthquake, and the magnitude of it was between 9.1 and 9.3, which is very big. The magnitude is the height of the earthquake waves that were sent out. It is measured from 1 to 10, 10 being the highest. It was the second largest earthquake ever recorded on a seismograph, which is a type of measurement that records earthquakes. This earthquake caused the entire planet to vibrate as much as 1 centimeter. So that's how you know it's a big earthquake, when this happened in India and it made the whole entire world vibrate as much as 1 centimeter. Almost every earthquake has what we call aftershocks. Aftershocks is a series of smaller earthquakes that come off of the main earthquake. And the Indian Ocean earthquake had a series of aftershocks that happened a couple days after the Indian Ocean earthquake hit all of these surrounding countries. And the biggest one recorded an 8.7 magnitude, which got scientists confused because they actually thought it was a whole separate earthquake because it was so big, and that an aftershock to be that big is bigger than some of the other actual main earthquakes out there, which got scientists puzzled. And it was the second deadliest earthquake ever, killing 229,866 people, injuring 8,860 people, and 45,752 people went missing. It was a very sad story for a lot of families out there. The countries affected were Indonesia, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Maldives, India, Somalia, Malaysia, Tanzania, Bangladesh, South Africa, and Kenya. It hit Thailand and Malaysia the hardest. Scientists believe the cause of the earthquake was the Indian plate subducted under the Burma plate. The rupture occurred 30 kilometers beneath the seabed and was about 400 kilometers long and 100 kilometers wide. It was the longest rupture ever occurred by an earthquake. Another reason was that the coral reefs were beginning to be taken out around the coast. The type of measurement used to determine the magnitude of the earthquake and the aftershocks and the intensity of everything was a Richter scale and a seismograph. And the economic impact that this earthquake had on all the surrounding countries was very devastating to all of them. Every single country had shortages of food and water. Epidemics became a special concern. Diseases were easily spread in all of these countries, which was one of the big reasons that we got so many deaths from this earthquake, was all the diseases that caused. The fishing industry suffered severely, which was huge for all of these surrounding countries because they were all on the coast and fishing was a huge part of their economy. And fresh water was contaminated and poisoned. That was another reason while people were dying. It was just a horrible natural disaster that happened, and the total estimate of the cost was about $1.3 billion, and thankfully nations all over the world provided money to help out, including us, the U.S. We sent over about $1 to $2 million to help out. So it's a sad story, but that was our top story for today. Thank you.